History remembers emperors. It forgets the men who win their wars. In the 6th century, the Roman Empire was dying. Its lands were lost. Its enemies were everywhere. One general changed everything. His name was Belisarius. With a small army, he defeated forces many times larger, again and again. He reclaimed Africa from the Vandals. He took Rome back from invaders. He restored an empire. Soldiers admired him. Enemies feared him. The people loved him. But emperors grow afraid of powerful generals, especially loyal ones. Belisarius was accused of betrayal, not with evidence, but with fear. His wealth was taken, his command was stripped away, his name was quietly erased. Legends say he was blinded and forced to beg in the streets. Historians still debate the truth. What is certain is that the empire survived because of him. Belisarius won wars for history. History did not return the favor.